Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So there's no PPF on this car, and it looks like it came off the showroom floor. Absolutely gorgeous inside and out. It still smells brand new. That beautiful, fresh plastic smell, this has it. And so they definitely just put this in the garage and preserved it. No curb rash on any of the wheels. Original tires still on there. Now there's a little chip on the quarter panel, one on the driver door edge, and then maybe just a couple on the front bumper. Otherwise, she's beautiful, but I'm still gonna go panel by panel. Gorgeous ruby red color, beautiful flake. Paint is in phenomenal condition. You can see that looks awesome. Original tires, 2011 date code. No curb rash on the wheels. Ultra clean. It's so cool to see something like this preserved. That looks good. A couple little splatters of bugs here. Other than that, looks amazing. Door looks good. Door edge nice and clean. Here's the one rock chip that I was talking about, if it will focus right there. Looks good. That wheel's perfect. Looking at the roof, looks good. You got the sunroof, gloss black stripes. Beautiful stripes. They are vinyl, just overlays. Looks good. Looking at the edge here, it's in great condition. Couple little spots of like bugs kind of impacting the paint. A lot of those can wipe off. You have a little chip right there, or a little indentation from a rock. I'm sure there's a couple more. There's always going to be one, you know. Looking around, there's a tiny one right here. That splitter looks amazing. No curb rash on that wheel. Fender's clean. Mirror looks good. A-pillar looks awesome. The chip that I found was right there on that edge. The rest of the quarter looks good, and the depth of that paint is beautiful. Very minimal swirls on this car. Looks awesome. Wheel looks amazing. No window tint on the car. Pretty much like it came off the showroom floor. And then check out underneath. Super clean. Looking at the interior, it looks and smells brand new. You literally have that new car smell. Fresh plastic, super clean. Really nothing to pick apart in this car. Incredible. Looking at that door panel, looks amazing. You got the Alcantara inserts, nice and clean. Trim looks perfect. Stickers look good. Bolster looks awesome. All of this looks good. Really, really nice. Got the carbon look. Very cool. Now the flickering here, that's just in camera, not in person. That is just the camera being kind of crazy. 5,329 miles. All of this looks perfect. Still smells brand new. Here on this door panel, once again, looks perfect. Floor mats look good. That trim looks awesome. And this thing is brand new looking. Crazy to have that new car smell. Perfectly preserved. Looks good. Looking at the engine bay, just as clean as the outside, perfectly preserved. You could definitely put this on a showroom floor and they would think it's brand new.